Hi everyone, my name is Marian, your technology friend. Today, we're going to talk about dual SIM iPhones. You know, like which models are dual SIM, which country variants are dual SIM, and how does dual SIM work in an iPhone. But if I miss anything, please feel free to ask about it in the comments below. And while you're at it, subscribe so you can get more Apple explainer videos just like this. Anyway, let's get started. So historically, dual SIM iPhones have been in production since 2018, with the first dual SIM iPhone being the iPhone XS. But the thing is, dual SIM iPhones are not created equally. That is because there are actually two types of dual SIM iPhones. Number one, there's the eSIM and physical SIM version, and number two, the dual physical SIM version. To know which one you have, here's a quick guide. If you have an iPhone XS, XS Max, XR, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, SE2, 12 Mini, 12, 12 Pro, and 12 Pro Max, that's quite a long list. Basically, any iPhone that is 2018 and up, you have a dual SIM iPhone. And if you bought any of those iPhones I mentioned anywhere around the world except China and Hong Kong, you have the eSIM and physical SIM version. Now, why except China and Hong Kong? It's because some iPhones there actually have two physical SIM card slots, but not all the iPhones I mentioned a while ago are dual physical SIM slots. Here are the only iPhones that do have the physical SIM slots. Number one, we have the iPhone XR, XS Max, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, 12, 12 Pro, and 12 Pro Max. So if you found a common denominator, the small iPhones are not dual SIM, physical dual SIM. So if you bought any of these iPhones from China or Hong Kong, you have the dual physical SIM version. Now that you know which model and variant has the dual SIM feature, you may be wondering, what is an eSIM? So just a quick explainer before we go to exploring how dual SIM work on the iPhone. eSIM means embedded SIM because you actually don't need to insert a SIM card to get a phone number working or get cellular coverage. Currently in the Philippines, there's very limited support as to eSIM. As of now, Globe only offers it on their postpaid users, while Smart only offers it via Airalo, which is an eSIM provider and is meant for travelers going here in the Philippines. So in reality, if you want to have dual SIM functionalities on your iPhone, you're most likely going to have to buy a China or Hong Kong model. And no, just because it is China or Hong Kong model, it doesn't mean it is fake. All iPhones are made in China, well, to be more specific, assembled in China. Okay, now that you know where to get a dual SIM iPhone, how does dual SIM work on iOS or on the iPhone software? Well, when you input two SIMs on your iPhone, you will be prompted to set up a primary and secondary number. You can also name them differently. It could be personal or business, cellular data, travel, or put in a completely custom name. When I did it, I actually just named them Globe and Smart because I had two SIMs with different networks. Anyway, after that, you'll be prompted to pick a default number, which would be used to call and send SMS as your default. But later on, you can also pick which number you would use to call or text a person on a per contact level. Additionally, you can also pick which SIM you would use for cellular data. So this is great if you have, let's say, GOMO and their no expiry data plan as your second default cellular data SIM card. To check cellular coverage, you will always see coverage of the two SIMs at the right corner ear with your default phone number at the top. Then, when you're calling or sending a new message, you can always change the phone number that you will use to contact a person. Lastly, if you're wondering if you can still receive texts or calls on your secondary line, the answer is yes. And that's it. That is my guide to dual SIM iPhones. If you have additional questions, you can leave it in the comments below or follow me on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook and send me a direct message so I can answer your question personally. I'm also thinking of creating a Discord server so I can interact with you guys more, or if you have any questions or anything to share with our small community, we can do so by going to that Discord channel. So let me know in the comments below if you guys are interested in something like this. Other than that, if you found this video helpful and it answered your questions, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I love making Apple content and guides, so stay tuned to the new videos I'm going to be making in the future. But for now, while you're waiting for my next videos, you can check my playlist called Apple Philippines right here, and it has videos regarding how to buy the cheapest iPhone, what is NPC, and many more. So go ahead, check it out by clicking here, and that's it. That's it for this video. This has been Marian, your technology friend, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.